Hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing some kind of like a kitchen game, I guess, where you cook food. We're going to pick the standard girl, and basically the whole point of the game is you cook food and try and keep your guy happy. If you don't, it's fine too, but it's just for fun. So, let's start off with some carrot. Gonna go in here, and I'm gonna chop off that. And then I'm gonna make a real life recipe. Here we go, take that, and then go over here. Put them all down. Just smooth it around. And there you go, fried carrot. And then we're gonna add, there you go. If she likes it. Oh, she liked it. What happens if I add a bunch of ketchup and smother it in ketchup? Hot sauce. We'll smother it in hot sauce. There we go. Get the hot sauce on there. And then I'll smother the big one with some oil. And then there you go. Okay, welcome to my shop. Today you are getting a meat smoothie. So basically how you make a meat smoothie is you put some water. And then you put any type of meat, including bone, if you want. The bone could work. Then you let it overflow a little bit. You keep putting meat in there. Grind up some fish. Then you go back and do that and that. And then you put those in the meat shake too. With everything still intact. And then you put a bunch of water. And then you go like this. Maybe if I, here you go. Okay, so today we are going to make some nachos. Did not mean to put it back there. We are going to make fries nachos with smothered in ketchup. And we will put them in the oven after they've been fried. Burn them a little bit. There you go. And then you go like this. Hey, you girl, you ordered off the dark menu. Don't tell anybody that I have these. These are illegal in most states, okay? Don't tell one person. Sorry about the background noise, people. My dog's over here playing. My little ducky. You ordered the high shake. It will make you high. Do you like it? Glass of water coming up. I love how she keeps drinking it. Strawberries, strawberries. You like my strawberries? Oh God, I don't. Everybody pretend I didn't say that. Boom, 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 boom. his chocolate cup. Gonna make some ketchup, guys. We're gonna make some ketchup for her. We need these, and then we need to cut them up. Boom, 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 boom. We need to go boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. We need to take all of those, all the pieces, big or small. And we'll even add some ketchup. Secret ingredient is ketchup. And then combine it with water, 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 water. Here's your liquid ketchup. Or ketchup, or your liquid. Here's some ketchup. Everybody needs their broccoli. Kids, do not try this at home. Welcome back to Top Chef Junior. So, today we are talking about how kids hate broccoli. So, if you don't like broccoli, but your mom wants you to eat broccoli, just put it in the deep fryer and go like this. Okay guys, I am back. I let this sit for like a minute. And then, if you like ketchup, you can just pour some ketchup on there. And then put it in your mouth, son. I have an idea. Let's try fried watermelon. We're gonna try it. She ordered off our watermelon menu. So we're gonna fry a watermelon. We're gonna fry one. Put one in the oven. Burn it a little bit. Get it darker. And then we're gonna put one in a fry pan. And we're gonna put some of this to help it burn a little bit. You ordered our watermelon menu. I will cut up some of the watermelon for you. By the way, guys, comment of the day. Comment down below if you guys would eat any of the stuff I make in this video. And comment down below what ones. What would you eat? And then I will take the deep fried watermelon. Now it's time for the oven cooked watermelon. You like the oven? Now it's time to add a little bit more of this. Today we're going to be answering the age-old question. What would bread taste like if it was blended? With your host, Dynamite Kid. Oh, I think I glitched out the game. Add some water to it. Do 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 do. You are our test dummy for our new invention, the water and bread board. We're gonna make a salad. We're gonna make a salad. What else would be in a salad? Onion. So today we are making an onion salad. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna chop up all the ingredients until some of them just start fading away, like after Thanos. Make them as thin as possible. And we're gonna add some ketchup. That would be like a new salad. Now we're going to have some fish. This will probably be the last meal of the day. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sure she did because she got a lot of new stuff. I'm setting this place on fire. Flammable stuff, flammable stuff. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And see you guys in the next video. Comment down below if you guys want me to play this again and like.